I want to file a motion.
Nancy? Pardon me? You're parked in where you shouldn't be parked either.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm here just to file.
I know, but everybody's here just to file. That's not public parking.
Okay.
Okay? Just be careful, I know. All right?
You can't file a 14B?
No.
I can't accept it. Maybe the management will. Let me carry your mind. He needs to do a motion to bring the trial date back, but we're told you can't do that. You can't do motions once the trial's over. Unless you do a 14B asking the judge if he's willing to hear this.
When is he in court next?
September.
For a trial?
Yes. So that's the problem. We told him to do a 14B, and he wants a motion, but I can't accept it.
Okay, I went to see a duty counselor. He told me I can file a notice of a motion to bring the date earlier.
So you're filing a motion to bring the date earlier?
Huh?
You're trying to set aside the order just for the court to make an interim pass to the child. It's already gone. You have a trial date.
No, the trial already started on the 25th and the 26th. She even prolonged it to the 4th and 6th of July.
Did you get an email from Sue Mar-Young about September 30th? Can I look at it? I don't think I got one.
I just got it yesterday.
Okay. You're in the middle of a trial.
Yes.
In front of which judge?
Judge Paul said.
Judge Paul said. And you're due back in court?
September 11 and 12.
Okay. In front of Justice Paul said.
Yes.
So you would need permission from Justice Paul said to bring a motion.
That's why I'm to bring a motion.
Yes. Before the judge.
Okay. I went to see a duty counselor, not one, 3 duty counselors. The one upstairs, the one on Young to get different opinion, the one on Young and Shepherd, the one at the Superior Court. They all advised me to do this.
Okay, July 16th.
So if I file the motion today, it's going to be heard on the 16th. It's 4 days.
No, that's not how it works in this court. What time is it? It's after 4. Hold on a second. Just give me a moment. There isn't anybody here. There's no legal people here. Can you come back tomorrow and speak to me, and I'll take you upstairs to speak to a lawyer?
I already spoke to the lawyer.
But this is in the middle of a trial.
Yes.
You do not bring a motion mid-trial, mid-proceeding.
Listen,
I
thought this is a filing room, right? So I'm here to file a paperwork.
No, it's not. No.
I mean, for my legal advices, I went to the lawyers and got my legal advices from the attorneys.
Did you serve this on the other side?
No, I have to commission it here and put it in the system, and then I will serve them, and then I will file the affidavit.
Not how it works. No, you have to come back tomorrow.
This is not the first time I filed the motion, you know.
I know.
I filed the motion before.
Is this you?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever been to trial?
Have
you ever been to trial before?
Yes.
And when we
for 4 days.
Have you ever had a trial in this court before this trial started?
No, in this trial is 4 days.
Once you start a trial, you cannot bring a motion.
Okay. If, you see, my daughter's life is in danger, I'm going to let you know now. My daughter's life is in danger.
Okay, have you called the police?
I want the judge to bring the date, I want the judge to proceed with this. This trial was supposed to be a court order, number 1.
Okay, sir, you're going to have to come back tomorrow, and we're going to speak to a lawyer together.
Why I have to go with you to a lawyer? You work here?
I do, I'm the manager.
Okay, you're the manager of the filing room.
Yes.
So you're supposed to do just filing. You're giving me a legal advice?
I'm not giving you legal advice.
That's what you are doing.
I'm giving you procedural advice to tell you that it's not permitted at this court to bring a motion when you've gone to trial.
Okay, can you give me a letter saying that?
I'm going to speak to you tomorrow in front of duty counsel.
But you won't give me a letter today.
We're going to come back tomorrow.
See, you are prolonging my...
No.
Yes,
July
you are.
16th.
Yes.
Right? Right?
I have to, after after I file this, I have 4 days, which is, if I file it today,
Sir,
it will be heard
that's
on...
not how it happens in our court.
I did it before. It's not the first time I filed a notice of a motion.
Sir,
Yes.
you've never had a trial before. Once your trial starts, it's a whole different ball game. And we do not file motions on 4 days' notice in this court. Emergency motions are done in a different way. Motions are done in a different way. There's not 4 days' notice in this court. We have case management in this court, and you need to get the date that the judge is available before you issue a notice of motion. But you cannot issue a notice of motion once you've proceeded to trial.
Can you give me a letter that says
I
that?
will speak to you tomorrow.
But you won't give me a letter.
If your daughter's life is in danger, it won't be a hardship for you to come back tomorrow, and we'll speak to a lawyer.
It's a hardship for me to prolong it one more day.
You're not prolonging it one more day.
Yes, you are, not me. You are prolonging it one
It's
day.
not prolonging it one more day because this July 6th date is not how we do things here. If you need an emergency motion, you can get an emergency motion based on your child's in danger on no notice. But once the trial has started, all bets are off. It's a different ball game, and you cannot interrupt trial proceedings by motions.
Okay, you saying that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you give me a letter that you say
I don't
that?
have to give you a letter because it's written in the rules.
Which rule?
Rule 23. Motions are in-term proceedings that happen before a trial. The trial has happened. It started. The motion procedure is no longer available to you. Rule 23. Come back tomorrow.
What's your name?
Mary, and I'm the manager.
You're the manager.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right.